Hello everybody, welcome back to Unapologetic Skincare and Beauty, and I'm Stephanie. Today I am doing my Ipsy unboxing, bagging, whatever. I was not going to record today. I really wasn't. I just did my BoxyCharm video and uploaded it today, and I wasn't gonna record, but then both my Ipsy and my Sephora Play arrived today, and since I hadn't peeked into what was coming in these boxes before they came, I just couldn't wait to get into them, and I knew I had to record myself doing it, so here we are, together, in an unexpected recording day. As a quick note, I did say to my Sephora Play video, but I'm wearing a full face of what came in my BoxyCharm, including blush, mascara, the eyeshadow palettes, the eyebrow pomade, and the under eye depuffing gel. So I will pop a link into that video right here. Oh, hello. A little bit of my Sephora Play box is still on this knife. Get rid of the evidence. Boom! Here it is. Pink and metallic as usual. I don't think I need a knife for this. I just like carrying it around. I just like wielding the knife in my hand. Yeah, I definitely didn't need a knife for this, so I guess I'll go put it away before I hurt somebody, like myself. Drum roll, please. Who am I talking to? It's just me here. Oh, it's so pretty. Look. It's like sparkly and blue, and I like that the zipper's on the front, not on the top. This is so pretty and it feels cool. Look how pretty. The little zipper says Ipsy in blue, and it's so pretty, guys. There's something else in here. I don't know what it is. No card ever. I don't know why I keep looking for Ipsy. There's never a card telling you what everything is. Why, Ipsy? Just do it. I've asked for it every month. Just give us a card. So let's start with this thing that was in the bag but not in the bag because it came in a ginormous envelope. Huge envelope, teeny tiny little container. All right, so this says this is a BKR Paris Water Balm, ultra hydrating, glossy lip treatment. Ugh, what the heck is with the lip treatments this month? I just got a lip treatment in my Sephora Play, like thanks for the lip treatments. Oh, let's open up this fancy time-sealed envelope. Like what is this? Maybe I need the knife for this. Oh no. It's like a Ziploc bag. I was just really ready to grab that knife again. It's cute. It comes in like a little, you know, Vaseline jar sort of, and doesn't smell like anything. And when I said Vaseline jar, it's pretty right because it's exactly what it feels like. You scared the crap out of me.
Need a cup of water.
You want to grab a vitamin water from the garage?
No.
So I just popped a little bit of that on there just to see how it felt. And it feels like a chapstick, but it's fancy French chapstick, so bonjour. All right, let's get back in here and see what else we got. We got some stuff in here this month, man. All right, I'm gonna grab something that feels like it's not gonna be fun because then I can hold that off. What? This is a card that tells you what's in here. This is literally the first month that Ipsy's ever given a card. Oh wait, I lied. It just says July 2018. All right, let's get back in. So I'm gonna grab something that feels disappointing, but literally guys, nothing feels disappointing. All this stuff feels huge and it all feels so cool. All right, so this is Give Them Lala Beauty. What is this? So it's just like a black box and you probably can't see, but it says Give Them Lala Beauty. Oh my God, I'm so bad with boxes. I'm like just a destroyer. What's in here? Okay, so, oh. Give Them Lala Beauty. I've never heard of this company before. Am I like ignorant? Do I not know what's out there? But it looks like a lip gloss. Let me make sure, because you never know these days. I got a mascara in my BoxyCharm that I thought for sure was a lip gloss, and it was a mascara. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it is a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. Phew. Okay, so the lip gloss looks actually like this bottom part here. So I think that's cool. Like it's like a frosted glass bottle, but the top is like frosted black, and then the bottom's kind of frosted clear, so you can see what the lip gloss looks like, which is really cool. I have been lucky enough to get the color The Affair, which sounds way more interesting than my actual life, because the only affair I am having currently is with nothing. I do nothing. Nothing. So anyways, this is the shade Affair, or The Affair, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm happy with this. I like it. It's like a full-size lip gloss. Ipsy is stepping it up. Ipsy might be giving Sephora Play a run for its money. All right, so let's put that aside. We have another box. So this is Ico. Dude, I love Ico eyeliners so much. Like, I think I got one a couple months ago and I just used it. I got one in like one of these, you know, subscription bags or boxes, and I just used it, and it's like the best eyeliner I've ever used. And I went on to see how much it costs, and I think it's like 22 bucks, but this looks like it's another one, which normally I'd be like, oh, I'm getting like doubles, but I'm so pumped about it. Wait, let's get into it before I get excited. Okay, so this is the Ico Travel Size Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, which is the exact same thing that I have now that I'm using, and I love it. So this is the box. Pretty. So pumped that I got this, because honestly I was gonna like go buy some because I love it so much, and now I can like hold off on that. Guys, this eyeliner is bomb. I'm not kidding you. It is the best eyeliner I've ever used, and like I'm a drugstore eyeliner girl through and through, and this eyeliner is amazing. Like, it makes putting on eyeliner so easy. This Ipsy bag is like blowing my mind right now. Okay, so now we have a Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. What? This bag is amazing. First of all, I love everything about Smashbox. They have the best primer. I love their Studio Skin foundation, and the concealer is probably amazing too. And it's like a full size, dude. A full size. But this is an awesome sample, even though this is literally like, I feel like this is a full size, right? I'm so happy. Okay, I think there's only one more thing left in here. It says Juliet has a gun, perfume, but on the side it says not a perfume. So I'm confused. So what is it? Let's open it up and find out. It's a perfume. It's a perfume, but it's like a big perfume, right? So it's not like a little teeny tiny perfume sample. It's a good size perfume. So let's pop her open and smell her. That sounded so bad. Okay, I don't know why I go in right away when I spray instead of like letting it be itself and, you know, soak into me. I'm just like, oh, this doesn't smell good. I like it. I like it, guys. At first I was like, this is too strong, and then I thought it smelled like florally, which I don't like floral smelling perfumes. I don't like floral smelling perfumes. But this smells clean now, like soap, like clean linen kind of. It actually smells like a little bit like a cologne that my husband wears that I love when he wears it, because he smells so like clean and yummy. So I love this. This is literally, to date, the best Ipsy bag I've ever gotten. We got this pretty good perfume, which I like, and it's a good size too, so I'm not gonna like, you know, just throw it in a drawer and then never know where it went. And this awesome lip gloss from this brand I've never heard of, but color looks good. Give Them Lala. I gotta look into this Give Them Lala Beauty, like, company. And then we had the Ico eyeliner, which I'm just like over the moon about. And then we had, you know, oh yeah, I forgot about like the fancy French lip gloss. We had the fancy French lip gloss. And then we had the Smashbox concealer, the Studio Skin concealer, which pumped. I know it's gonna be good. And then my glasses are on the floor. So we had a lot of cool stuff in this. See why I didn't want to wait? Innately, I knew this box was going to be amazing, and this bag, box, whatever. Innately, I knew that this bag this month was going to be amazing, and I couldn't wait, and that's why I had to like throw some makeup on really quick and record for you guys, because I don't typically just like rock full face of makeup during the day when I'm not recording, but I had to do it, and I'm super glad I did. Bag was cute AF, and everything in it was awesome. This is the best Ipsy bag ever. See, I was like on the fence about Ipsy. I was like, am I gonna cancel Ipsy? Because I just canceled Birchbox. Like I savagely just cut Birchbox out of my life, got BoxyCharm instead. And then I was like, Sephora Play, Ipsy, which one hasn't been living up to its reputation? And honestly, Sephora Play this month was not super great, and BoxyCharm this month wasn't super great either, but Ipsy is the winner this month as far as my bags and boxes and what have you. Alright, now I'm gonna go get my 1-year-old a popsicle before she has a meltdown. Well, as always, if you liked what you see, please hit the like button, comment, and let me know what you think about this month's awesome bag, if you thought it was awesome as well, and if you got the same stuff. And please go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of my face, or if you just want to make fun of me. I don't know, like, make fun of me. I don't care. As long as you subscribe, I don't care what you do. Stay kind and stay beautiful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.